Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Are you ready for the class? Okay. Today we are going to discuss about Mr. Gessler, a German shoemaker who used to live in London. He used to make quality boots. He used to make the best boots and very lasting shoes. He was a talented and dedicated bootmaker. The name of the lesson is Quality, and the name of the writer is John Galsworthy. The story begins with the narrator describing his family's relationship with Gessler brothers. The story narrates how Gessler devoted his life to his art. He made the writer's father's boots. The shop had no other sign other than his own name of Gessler Brothers, and in the window a few pairs of boots. He made boots on the order of the customers, and the shoes he made never failed to fit, and they proved to be long lasting. So the customers didn't need to visit his shop very frequently. Once the author visited his shop to give him order for a pair of Russian leather boots. After some time, the author again came to Mr. Gessler's shop and complained that his shoes were creaking. Mr. Gessler was surprised at it. When he saw the pair, he told the author that those were not his boots. The author had bought them from a shop made by a big company. But Gessler did not show any anger. The author was greatly impressed with the gesture of the bootmaker. But the writer was upset to see the condition of the shop. In reply, Gessler told him about his economic crisis. Next time, when the writer visited Gessler's shop, he found another name painted on his board. When asked about it, Gessler replied that it was difficult for him to bear the cost of 2 shops. The author ordered 3 pairs, though he needed only 2. Several years later, the narrator again came to visit Gessler's shop, but Gessler was not there. The new shopkeeper informed him that Gessler was dead due to slow starvation. He died due to lack of food, care, and rest. But till his death, he made boots of the best quality. He was indeed a talented and devoted shoemaker. Do you understand the lesson? Very well. Students, we can call Mr. Gessler as a great artist. An artist is a person who loves his work. He has a great passion for his work, and he is totally immersed in his work. Thus, the lesson teaches us the values of commitment, honesty, determination, loyalty, and dedication. So, which are the values? Commitment, honesty, determination, loyalty, and dedication. Is it clear? Is it very, very clear? Very good.